Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Are you dreaming of a stylish and functional vanity table that enhances your beauty routine and adds elegance to your room? Vanity tables are more than just a piece of furniture. They are a personal space where you can organize your makeup, skincare products, and accessories. A well-designed vanity table not only provides a dedicated area for your daily routine but also complements your room's aesthetic. In this video, we shall explore everything you need to know about a vanity table design, from choosing the right style and size to selecting the perfect lighting and accessories. We will cover it all. Whether you are looking for a classic, modern, or vintage design, our tips and ideas will help you create a vanity space that reflects your personality and meets your needs. Vanity tables come in various styles, from minimalist modern designs to ornate vintage ones. The style you choose should match the overall theme of your room. For a contemporary look, consider a sleek vanity with clean lines and minimal detailing. If you love a classic or vintage vibe, go for a vanity with intricate carvings, a distressed finish, or a beautiful mirror with a decorative frame. The mirror is often the focal point of a vanity table. Choose a mirror that complements your table style and enhances your space. Round mirrors are perfect for adding softness to a room, while rectangular mirrors create a more structured look. You can also opt for a tri-fold mirror for a classic touch or lighted mirror to ensure optimal lighting while applying makeup. An organized vanity table can make your beauty routine more efficient and enjoyable. Look for a vanity with sufficient storage options such as drawers, shelves, and compartments to keep your products neatly arranged. Use drawer organizers and trays to separate different items and prevent clutter. If you have a small vanity, consider adding wall-mounted shelves or a storage cart to maximize space. Comfort is key when selecting a chair or stool for your vanity table. You will be spending a lot of time here, so choose a seat that provides good support and matches your table style. Make sure the height of the chair or stool is appropriate for the table. Accessories can enhance the look of your vanity table and make it more functional. Consider adding decorative tray to hold your perfume bottles, a jewelry box to keep your accessories organized, or a set of stylish containers for your makeup brushes. Plants, candles, and artwork can also add a personal touch and make your vanity area more inviting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. Up till next time, happy decorating.